What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We got Zaku here today with the RA guys. We're gonna be throwing on some sick ass Aeroflow Dynamic Rain Guards. I've personally never seen these, but Zaku's honestly had them since Christmas, so he's pretty gassed to finally get them on. So hell yeah, guys. Perfect. That looks good though. If you guys haven't caught the last video, Zaku did do the tint on the RA. What'd you do, Zach? 20%. It is 20%, guys. Looks freaking killer. He did do the banner as well, but facts. But the RA is looking nice and clean, guys. So we're gonna get the rain guards on. We're also gonna jack her up. He does need an oil change, so we're gonna bang out an oil change real quick also. So let's get to it.
No heat gun.
No heat gun, guys. Just a little alcohol prep. It's pretty warm out today, but the Aeroflow Dynamics are just, you know, pretty simple install stick-ons. Zaku's having a little bit of a tough time peeling the 3M, but that's okay.
Alright, now we're ready.
Now we're ready.
Yeah,
I really like how they're both good, guys. We'll peel all the plastic off you later.
nervous. I thought that was
That looks sharp, guys. Shout out to Aeroflow Dynamics. Great quality rain guards, that's for sure. We'll drop the link in the description, guys, to the rain guards. Oh, that looks sick. That literally makes the tint look even darker. That looks dope.
That's clean.
That is clean. That looks great. Let us know what you guys think in the comments, guys. Alright, so me and Zaku are gonna go in and made some tacos. We're gonna smack some tacos, and then we'll come back outside, lift Blue up, start getting an oil change banged out, get the oil drained, and then we'll run to Walmart, probably grab some Nutella, and get the oil change banged out. Alright guys, we're back.
Current exhaust would have been nice, but
That would be nice.
discontinued.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go run and grab oil, but before that, I'm gonna move Sylvie out. We're gonna get Blue in the middle, we're gonna jack Blue up, get the oil drained out, so at least that's all set, so hell yeah. All right, guys, so we got all the oil drained right now, so pretty much all we got to do is put the new filter in, cover up the oil pan.
Tell them we're not using the new Subaru one.
Oh, that's right, guys. So, by the way, the Subaru is not stocking the OEM filters anymore. They're made in America now.
These.
Yes, these guys.
Oh, shit. So oil.
They're not stocking those no more.
They're
So
bigger. There's no
exactly
writing on them.
So we don't really trust it. So the filter that Subaru is providing you is made in America, and it's not the OEM filter because they lost their contract apparently. But some guy on YouTube took apart the whole filter, and the spring inside is literally a different pressure rate for the oil. So
These come from Japan.
these filters come from Japan, like Zaku just said. Shout out to Craig and Jay at the Subaru shop hooking it up with the JDM oil filters. Definitely more comfortable using that than, you know, the new ones that the US just made. So all right, guys, so we got everything underneath pretty much all set. We're not gonna put the belly pan back on yet, just to make sure, you know, obviously there's not gonna be no leaks and all, everything's nice and tight. So we're gonna put the oil in, make sure everything's good. Belly pan will go back in, and the RA's got a nice fresh oil change. Alright, guys, so we just pretty much finished up the whole oil change. Everything's all set, bolted up underneath. He's actually just looking at the front lip a little bit. I think he wants to just make sure it's all nice and tight while, you know, the car's up. But blue's all set. We're gonna be dropping it soon, so hell yeah. Zaku is gonna be throwing a catback exhaust on this car soon. Let us know in the comments what you guys want to see. He already has an idea about what, you know, what type of exhaust he wants to put on, but, you know, let us know in the comments what you guys want to see on the RA. Alright, guys, my dad just pulled up. He's leaving now. We do have the RA all set. Rain guards are on. Wheels are clean. We just gave them a quick little clean, but nice fresh oil change. So we're gonna get a little roller for you guys to end the video out. Remember, guys, if you're liking all the content, you're liking the channel, smash that like button, show us all the love. Subi fam out, baby.